Good day, I am Inigo Arañas from OL151, and today I'm going to present to you our group's project in the course Web Systems 138L. Before that, let me introduce my group mates. Isaac Saarte, Janina Venice Besa, and Grace Ann Domingo. To formally start, the purpose of our project is a business website for the business of one of our members, Isaac Saarte. The business is named Ranch PC, in which they build and customize desktop sets in the client's home. We chose this business to show support to the small businesses that thrive in the midst of a pandemic. Also, since one of our members is the owner, we thought that gathering necessary information about the business would be easier. The Ranch PD Services website is to create a website that will showcase the products and services of their business. The first page of the website is the homepage. That has the name of the business and some reviews from the satisfied clients. We also use an unordered list with a navigation bar to the other page of the website, which links to the Quote Now, About Us, and Contact page. The opacity of the image in the homepage is adjusted so that it will not blend into the color of the text. The homepage also has two images that can be hovered when a cursor is placed. Rounded corners are also used to style the images. There is also an Our Service button that leads to the three animated images that shows the building of the desktop set. The page also shows the services offered by Ranch PC Services, which are shown through pictures and sample captions. The next page is a Quote Now page, which is a sign-in page for the user. Forms tools is used to let the user input an existing email address and password which are hidden in bullets. An input type of email and password are also used for the respective text boxes. If the user inputs an unregistered email, there will be a notice that indicates that the user needs to sign up first. In the sign up page, it will let the user register his email address, create a password, and confirm the password. With this, we have our database where we can see who signed up for our website. Upon signing in again and entering the password incorrectly, there will be a notice that indicates that you input the password wrong. There is also a Forgot Password page in which the user will input his or her registered email in order to reset the password. There is also a checkbox that lets the system remember the login information of the user. After logging in, the user will be directed to the services page, which shows a table of the available services, breakdown of prices, and total service fee of the business. In this page, Forms is also used that lets the user input their name, email address, phone number, and what type of service they would want. The third page leads to the About Us page. This page shows the background of the owners of the business. It is to let the customers know that the Ranch PC Services is a legit business run by a group of trusty individuals. This is also to express the reasons why they should buy and trust the business. This page also included the developers of the website section, and this is shown through sliding images. Drop down is used for us to see the testimonials. It can be seen below About Us. In the testimonial page, it shows the honest comments given by the previous customers. Font Awesome CDN by Bootstrap is used here for us to show the great icons such as the stars that were used in the page. Those stars would serve as the rating for the service given by the business. After the testimonials are the pictures of the finished desktop setups that the customers desired. It is shown through pop-up images, and we use Lightbox tool for it. At the lower part of the testimonial page, image mapping was used here by clicking at the left button of the mouse, and this would direct them to the Quote Now page. The last page is the Contact Us page. This page is allotted for the contact numbers and social media accounts of the business Ranch PC Services. In this page, the address, contact number, and email address of the business can be seen in this page. And lastly, this contact page asks for the customer's full name, email address, and the messages or the request for the business. This is also created by Forms tool that will be sent to the email address of the business to know the concerns of the customers. The footer for all the pages are the same with format. It includes a sitemap that leads to different social media accounts of the Ranch PC Services. It also includes the contact information in which the contact numbers can be clicked and directed to an app where you can call the number of the owner. And the email address where you can directly send an email to the service team of the business. Also, there are also quick links that lead back to the homepage. In this section, it also shows the name of the developers. Lastly, one of the best features of our website is that the customers can browse it through their smartphones. Since the screen of the smartphones is smaller compared to laptop screens, the navigation bar will transform into a drop-down menu to fit the screen that the customers used. With the use of smartphones accessing the website, it would be way easier. With the reason that, as mobile sites are specifically designed for handheld devices, they can be accessed by mobile and smartphones easily. It improves the user experience and satisfaction. They create a positive impression on the users. Moreover, it's more user-friendly, and someone who have visited and surfed upon your website would be much familiar with the mobile website too. Hence, an access to mobile of our website is a smart option. To top it all, we use Ruby on Rails web app framework to let the server side running, and Heroku to deploy all the files. To properly end our presentation, I, Inigo Arañez, on behalf of our team, is thanking you for all the lessons you taught us about the different HTML and CSS styles that we appropriately used in creating this website.